Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video I will draw this figure in AutoCAD. Let's start. So first I will make this portion. The dimension is given, this length is given 0.76. It means that the diameter of this circle and the diameter of this circle is also 0.76, and the length from the center point of this circle towards the center point of this circle is also given 1.25. Let's draw it, then you will understand clearly. Click on start drawing. Click on circle arrow, click on center diameter, make a circle of 0.76 mm of diameter. Zoom it. Now click on line, click on the quadrant of this circle, make a downward line of 1.25 mm distance, escape. Now press O for offset from the keyboard, enter offset distance 0.76, enter, click on this line and click towards this side, escape. Now select this circle, press MI from the keyboard for mirror. Now mirror this circle from the midpoint of this line towards the midpoint of this line. Click on now. Now press TR from the keyboard and press double enter. Now trim this portion and this portion. Escape. Now I will make the outside portion. So for this the radius is given. The radius of this circle is given 0.75. So first I will calculate the radius of this inner circle. So the diameter is 0.76. If we divide 0.76 by 2, it becomes 0.38. It means that this radius is 0.38 and this radius is 0.75. So if we subtract 0.38 from 0.75, it becomes 0.37, which is this distance from here to here. So we will offset this portion 0.37 towards outside region. So draw it, then you will understand. This is offset distance 0.37. Enter O from the keyboard for offset, enter offset distance 0.37, enter, click on this side, click outside, click on this line, outside, click on this side, click outside, click on this line, click outside, escape. Now this portion is exactly made according to the given dimension. Now I will make these two circles. So first I will look at the center point of these two circles. So the dimension is given from the center point of this circle. This horizontal distance is given 5.5 and the vertical distance is also given 2.75. So let's look at first the center point of these two circles. Click on line, click on the center point, make a horizontal line of 5.5, enter. Now make a vertical line of 2.75, enter, escape. So this is the center point of these two circles. The diameter of this circle is 1.5 and the diameter of this circle is 0.75. I will erase the ink to see clearly. This diameter 0.75 and this diameter 1.5. Let's draw it. Click on circle arrow, center diameter, and make a circle of 1.5 mm diameter. Now again make 0.75 mm diameter. Now select these two lines and erase it. Now I will make this arc. So the radius is given 4.2 and this is tangent with this circle and tangent with this inner circle, not with this outside circle. So first I will draw it, then you will see. So it will exactly looking like this. So click on circle arrow, click on tangent radius, click on this circle and this inner circle and enter radius 4.2, enter. Now TR, double enter and trim this portion and this portion, escape. Now this fillet radius is also given 1, so let's make this fillet. Enter F from the keyboard for fillet. Now click on radius, enter fillet 1 mm. Now select this circle and click on this arc. So it will exactly made according to this dimension, according to the given dimension. Now I will make this portion. So the radius is given 6. Let's draw it. Click on circle arrow, click on tangent radius, click on this half circle and click on this outside circle, enter radius 6, enter. Now press TR from the keyboard, double enter and trim this portion, escape. Now I will make this portion. So first I will make these two circles. For this, first I will look at the center point of these two circles. So this distance is given 3.4 and this distance is also given, the upward distance 1.25 from this center of these two circles. So this distance 1.25 and this horizontal distance 3.4. Let's first look at the center point. Click on line, From this center point, make a horizontal line of 3.4, enter. Now vertical line of 1.25, enter, escape. So this is the center point of these two circles. The radius of this circle is 0.56 and the diameter of this circle is 0.5. Let's right click on circle arrow, center radius, make a circle of 0.56 mm radius. Now again click on circle arrow, center diameter, click on this center point and make a circle of 0.5 mm diameter. Now erase these two lines, TR, double enter, and trim this portion and this portion, escape. Now the fillet radius is also given 0.38. This fillet radius and this fillet radius is also 0.38. Let's make it, enter A from the keyboard for fillet. Now click on radius, enter fillet 0.38, enter, click on this circle, click on this portion, enter space to repeat the command, click on this circle and click on this arc, escape. So this portion is exactly made according to this figure dimension. Thanks for watching.